Hello and welcome on this presentation for this new app. So it's an app you can install on your PC. It's working on Windows and it's an app for live push to talk. So here it's just a demo for you to understand how it's work. I have the app that is live now. I am here on a Word document and I press a hotkey and then it's recording, and as you can see when I release it will display the text I just said. So I'm releasing the computer and it's processing, and as you can see you can have the text right now. It's a simple push to talk. It's work anywhere, so it's on Word. Here I am on another document and you can select the language. You can also improve the context to improve the transcription quality. You can add also custom words. So my company called ACADEE with 2E. When you see ACADEE, change ACADEE. So you can put name or other stuff that it's specific to your work here, and you can save custom work. You can also change the language, the hotkey, select your microphone and check here. It's recording live my voice. And it's also two options. The first one is a push to talk. So it's just another demo here. So I want to write an email. Hello, Mr. Dumas. I'm really happy with your application and I want to tip you because it's the best application in the world. I release the keyboard and now you can see the live transcript. So I say Mr. Dumas. Now it says Dimas, so it's not my name. So I can update here. And when it's here, Dimas, or Dimas, the word, you understand how it's work here. And you can say, I want to be Dumas as it's my name. I can save it. And now the next time I will use the push to talk app. Hello, I am Mr. Dumas and I would like to greet you for your application. Now it understands my name and it will transmit it. As you can see now, it's spelled the right way. It's also the custom transcript to improve the quality, to custom the prompt that you want to add with what you are saying. You can do also a live transcript. So you can see now I change the language. I say French and now I will speak in English and the full transcript will be in French. Hello, I love your application and it's the best app in the world, so I want to tip you. And as you can see, it's translated in French directly in your transcript. So I hope you will like the application. If you like it, you can tip me. You have a button on the bottom. And thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.